crew to save the day.
The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is
Mighty House.
All right, we're back, and today we're going to do some unboxing of the Xfinity X1 flashlight. But first, click on that subscribe button, dingle on the bell, and that way you get notified next time we post a video. And with that, we're going to start unboxing. Rich has got one on his side of the desk, and I've got one on mine. And what are you looking at there? What do you got?
Mean? It's a box.
It's a box. But what do we?
Oh, it says a 5,000 lumen flashlight.
Infinity X1. So I'm going to stick this out right in here, like that, right in front of yours.
Yeah, get that down shot.
Get that down shot. This is what comes in the box. There we go, right there. Let's see, back it up, back it up. So this is what comes in the box. So
Okay.
First up,
Flashlight.
the big flashlight. And look at that sucker. That's,
So this is all turned aluminum.
yep,
It's LED.
yes it is.
It has O-rings
In the
to
end here,
seal it, so I'd assume it would
be somewhat
be okay
waterproof.
in somewhat, I wouldn't call it wet location, I call it damp location.
Oh wow, look at that. That is sealed up really good.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Great
Also
feel
makes
to
it-
it, the way it's machined?
That also makes it shock-proof too.
Oh,
Okay, but here's the cool thing.
okay.
How do you power this flashlight?
Yes.
Dual.
Duals.
Battery carrier.
Okay, so that's what this is.
So it takes 9 AA batteries.
That are included in the box.
Well, at least in ours. I'm not sure they always are.
We're going to say they are. And then people
Well,
can post
I
if
would
they
say it's
didn't
up
get
to
it.
the manufacturer and distributor.
But if they
That's just
didn't,
me.
but if they didn't, they can post and let us know whether or not they
Okay,
got it
But
or
I
not.
could actually look on the instructions that came with it. I mean, it's a flashlight, so you don't really need instructions.
Right. Oh, it came with instructions? Okay, and now,
The packaging dissolves in water.
oh, that's good. So it's environmentally friendly.
Yes.
All right, there we go. Okay, so now, oh, that arrow is not how the batteries go in, but
How it goes in the flashlight.
yeah. So, okay, I got to dig, now I got to go to the MacGyver. The MacGyver is not included in the unboxing of the flashlight, but here's the MacGyver to get
It
that.
shows the batteries in the in assembly instructions, so I'm going to assume they come with. But we could be wrong.
Yeah. Well, and it
All right,
came
while
with,
you're messing around with the batteries, I'm going to show people this.
what you got?
This is the rechargeable battery pack that comes with the flashlight.
Okay.
Now this is what's cool with this. Check this out. It's got a built-in USB cable.
Yes.
You could plug that into any USB port that has power and charge this. Now, if you roll this over,
It
there's
snaps
a
in
port
nice.
right there.
Roll it over. Oh, look right there.
You can charge your cell phone with this. So if in an emergency your cell phone dies and you don't need the flashlight,
Got it.
but you can take this battery pack and use it as an emergency charger for your phone.
And it says out right there.
Yes, that's how that works.
So it actually, and it again, that's the Xfinity X1 rechargeable flashlight battery and assembly. So then these don't go together. You can't only use one at a time though, right?
Yeah, so I just dropped my rechargeable unit in,
Okay.
and I want to shine this at the camera and you will be blind. No, this thing is some serious light.
Really? I have not done that yet. So, all right. So I'm cranking that down. You ready?
Right. Oh God!
Gee.
Why? Oh!
Wow. I mean, that's some serious. I'm blinding sonar back there.
Oh, I already have a
so-
tan.
I'm that dick that puts a flashlight in your face.
All right, but you can turn the front like focusing and you can go to a narrower beam.
Oh, really? Let's see.
Oh, it's a laser.
Oh, look at that.
And if you press the button again and again, it will go dim, dim, dim off.
Right. That's
But anyway, yeah, that thing, it's
Jeez, that is bright.
Yeah, I got LEDs staring me in the face, and this is how shine. When I shine this at the LED lights I have for lighting,
Right.
I can look right at the LEDs because this is brighter. Normally you go blind doing that.
So, okay, so now how long does it say that rechargeable battery will last?
It doesn't really.
It doesn't say? Because that
Didn't
would
see anything there.
that would be the next question. Okay, so you do get instructions in here too then.
Well, it's more of a user thing.
Does this,
Well, I like how they call it. It's a hybrid dual core power flashlight.
okay,
I would agree with that.
yep, 5,000 lumens?
Let's see. The rechargeable battery at 5,000 lumens is good for 2 hours.
Yep,
200 meters. Wow.
and it is rainproof.
Yep.
So at 850 lumens set on that third setting, it's good for 5 hours.
Yeah, even then in the military, all of our flashlights had to have gaskets on there so that they were spark proof.
Oh,
So
really?
that we could take them into ammunition
Oh, yeah, yeah.
and things like that, armories and
That's
things.
probably not a bad idea.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. So,
shock-proof, water-resistant, that's amazing.
a shot of the instructions here?
Nope, shot of the
They-
instructions.
That came with it?
Yep, yep.
So you got that right there.
So this is
Pretty
I'll be
straightforward.
honest, this isn't a company well known like some others,
No.
but they've sent us a couple of things to try out. The speakers,
Oh, dude, those
our
speakers.
work light speakers.
Yeah. I didn't know I needed work light speakers until I
I never
got.
knew I needed them either until they sent those. Now I use them every day.
Yep.
So, and Ron and I were talking before we did this show. Both of ours are on jobs right now, and we're kind of laughing about how nice they were when we took them out of the box and what they look like today.
Oh, they are beat to hell. Mine have been thrown around and had drywall fall on them. I mean, it's
Yeah.
conduit.
Mine just simply have drywall taping compound because I have a steel pan and I literally stick the speaker to the end of the pan and I use that light as I go up and down the walls looking for dings and stuff. So I'm
Yeah.
using that, touching up the walls.
Yep.
And then of course I got my tunes cranking
Yeah.
Sure.
because the rest of the job sounds like a mariachi band's in the house.
Yeah. There we go. So that's
That's another fine product from Xfinity. This is a
Yes.
very cool.
5,000 lumen flashlight, and I would consider. I don't know if you remember the Kel lights. They were like 3 cells. The 3-cell aluminum. They kind of have that same kind of feel to them.
Well, that's part of it too. It does feel like a well-crafted,
Yes. It's a quality.
well-machined flashlight. Yeah, it's
It's a quality piece, and then the way it goes in and out is very smooth until Rich gets it on the beach, and then
sand.
the sand will get in there
I don't have much. We can't take flashlights on the beach from April 1st to October 30th.
because
The turtle nesting season.
Oh.
If you have a flashlight, you get a fine because you can make turtle babies go the wrong way.
okay then. All righty. So again, Xfinity X1 flashlight. We're going to put it to the test, and we also gave you an impromptu review of the Infinity speaker set.
Yeah.
That's a flashlight speaker. That's been working great for us. That we've had both of us had on jobs now for quite a while. So I think we could recommend both of them. And
Yes.
with that, I'll say keep it square and level
Until next time.
until next time. There you go. Xfinity.
That's good.
Shine in the light.
That's it. That's all you need for sentry duty, right?
That's right. Now it's going out to the job site. We'll find out what it really does.
I'm surprised it's not magnetic or push push speaker, like sound through it.
Yeah.